So hi guys, today we are going to solve education round 107 problem E, coloring and dominoes. So let us go with first with problem statements. So the problem statements state that we have a grid of NM cells. Let's take an example. MN cells. We have zero this. Okay. So NM cells, and each you have to paint each white cell either red or blue. Okay, each white cell we have to paint red and blue. Okay, so the number of different ways to paint them is okay. हाँ इधर definitely जितने white cell होंगे the number of white cell is 2 की power n, okay, 2 की power w. After painting the white cell, you want to place the maximum number of dominoes. We have to place the dominoes after painting the white cells, and each domino covered two adjacent cells. Okay, and each cell is covered by at most one domino. Okay, so no overlapping. If domino is placed horizontally, it covered horizontal cells. It should be red. Okay, so if these two we take, it has to be red. And if domino is placed vertical, if these two, it has to be blue. Okay, and answer can be big, definitely. So we have to give um, modulo this number. Okay, we have constraint 3 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 5. So let's see how we are going to do it. For this we have let's see which is white cell and which is black cell. If follow each line and there if star is the jth, then the ith cell is black. Okay, so star means black and this means white. So if there are three cells, so there are 2 की power w white cells, 2 की power w white cell. So there are 8 combination. Let's see, and we have to count all 2 की power w combination. In every combination we have to calculate the domino and we have to add it, right? Every combination we have to calculate domino. So there are 8 possibilities. So let's see what are the 8 possibilities. Let me remove it and let me just do it like this. Let white is this, let this is 3 cells. One means white, so 1 1 1. Else it's blue. It's okay. I will write one more here. And so I'm bad in drawing, sorry guys. Okay, so in this case, so this is white, this is cells, so 3 cells. Okay, so in this all are red, so I can place a domino here, so answer can be 1. In this case I can place a domino here, this is 1. In this case I can place a domino here, this is 1, right? I can do this also, so plus 1. So there are only four possibilities to make domino. I make it vertical, but the meaning is same. No, and the horizontals are independent of vertical, right? Independent of vertical. So what we can do is we can calculate all the white cells in the starting only. Okay, we can calculate all the white cell in the starting only, and we traverse first row by row, and then calculate all the dominoes, and then we calculate if there are four cells, so we can place domino like this. By the case of generality, we can do this. So let's start code it. First we have given n, we have given n, m, and we take vector of string s of size n for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, for int j equals to 0, j less than m, j plus plus, same s of I, and we take a variable int white. If s of ij equals to j white plus plus. Okay, let's call the mint library. So this is library which calculate mod. We don't have to give then write a power exponentials. While a, while b, if b and 1 we have if v and 1 what's I don't like it. So there is my GitHub library, I write it over there, all the codes I want to change. Okay, so we have a, I will just copy on there. I get nervous while coding on recording. I think it's happened with everyone. It's like someone is watching you from somewhere. So let's go back to the question. So we have power function, we have, I will take a mint answer array. So for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, we take a rest equals to 0 for int j equals to 0. If s of ij equals to star, plus best plus plus, if best is greater than equals to 2, then we have to call the best solve function and make a solve function, and I have to do it again because we have to calculate it again. So let's do it. Its size of m columns and rows j I value equals to 2. Power of white minus 2 white minus white 2 की power white minus 2 into mod. If value percentage 2 equals to 0, if value percentage 2 equals to 0, um, uh, let's take first f equals to white minus, I will explain by what I'm doing here. See, if we have, see, if we have, right, we have this 40, and if we group this, so what are the ways of choosing it? It's 2 की power white, number of cells 2 की power white minus 1. So that's, I'm just grouping it here. Okay, value equals to value minus 2 by 2 uh, let me do it like this. We have to calculate p equals to p equals to p by 4 p equals to p by 4. So it is mod divisor of, that is, we have to divide it by 4, but we are taking a, we have to divide it by 4 because these two are similar, so we have to divide it by 2 factorial, right? I will explain formula what I try to do here. So this as we have to write it like int f equals to white minus 3 int value equals to value these are my other codes. So value minus 2 by 2 plus 1. Mint k equals to power of white f plus 2 comma mod k equals to k into 1 minus power of p dot x comma value comma mod k equals to k minus 3, so equals to k, answer equals to answer plus power comma xt value y minus value mint p equals to 1, p equals to 3 by 4, mint j equals to power p dot x comma f plus 2 comma mod k equals to k into 1 minus f x k equals to k by 3. Answer equals to the answer was multiplied. Cannot convert. Let's see what's it's wrong. 95 okay, only this. Okay. Got 131. I think I should make a mistake somewhere. Okay, let's see. Into k minus rp of x minus t k equals to k by 3 answer plus k. It has to be correct. To be correct. Let's see. Okay, we have calculated the p. Calculated p. Y minus 3 value minus 2 p equals 1 p by 4. Okay, here's a mistake. Let's do 2. Now we got it. Okay, let's see we got accepted or not. Fine. Yeah, site is slow. So till this work, I will explain you the solution. Here we take inputs, and here I declare a vector string. Here I declare a variable byte. In here I take the input string and I calculate the number of bytes. And here I declare a mint variable. Mint is my struct. It is used for okay, we got accepted. It is crux. You can get the, I will paste the link in my description. You can see there, you can copy paste it. Okay, and this is a power function. So here, so what we have done here, like we traverse the like, so we got, this is black, this is black, this is white, this is white, this is white. So every time we get a white consecutively, so these two we get, so we'll pass this function this into this, and we'll get all the total number of white, because every time this position happen and all the other whites has to be, all the other whites can be possible. So you can understand what I am trying to say. So we have to, and this is the one of the way. So 1 and all the other white, all the other 2 to the power n minus 2 whites can give this position, this one. All the other n whites can be red, black, we don't know, but all the other function can give this one as answer. So it is independent from all the position of 2 to the power white minus n. Okay, right? So now we get a one another. Now we have these 3 whites. Now all the combination using all 3, and these 3 whites are odd, so we will go here, we calculate f, and now we will 2 combination here, right? So we get a t because this is odd, so we got and these two are like, so it's 2 factorial, so it's divided by 4, right? Right, these two are same. So here the power equals to, we calculate the power k, then we subtract 1, because we subtract 1 minus power of this divisor, right? So this divisor, and then we divide it by 3 because these 3 can be interchangeable, and answer plus. This is how I solve, and this is, in this we iterated for row, for this we iterated for k. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. So okay guys, for the time, take care, stay happy.